Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to install Adobe Photoshop for free. So, let us start the video. So, guys, first off, if you are new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. So, guys, you need to click on the link given on the bottom and you need to download that file. I have already downloaded the file, so I will not download it again. After this you need to extract the file. For extraction it will ask you password, which will be there in the description. After this open the folder and run setup.exe. An interface will appear like the interface on the screen. Just click install and the work is done. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, we'll meet you soon with more interesting video.